dreams begin. The chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray. Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hi everyone! I heard there's going to be a football match today in the Chess Kingdom. Come on, let's go and see what's happening.
Look, he's about to score. He's definitely going to score.
Hello, Your Majesties. I heard there's a football championship in the Chess Kingdom today.
Hello, Timmy. That's right. Today we're holding the Chess Kingdom Football World Championship. But before the match begins, we'd like to show you a very exciting chess tactic. It's a tactic that's a lot like a clever football play. It's called the discovered attack. To understand how this clever tactic works, let's invite 3 chess pieces onto our chess football field. Please welcome the white rook, the black rook, and the black bishop. Wonderful. Now watch carefully, because these 3 pieces are going to show us how a discovered attack works. If the black bishop moves away like this, it opens the black rook's line of attack. Now the black rook is attacking the white rook. Can the white rook capture our black rook? Take a moment and think. No, it can't. Because the black bishop didn't just move away, it moved away with check. That means the white king has to save itself first. Only after the king is safe can anyone think about anything else. And now the black rook calmly captures the white rook. That's called a discovered attack. Are you ready for another example? Let's invite a few more chess pieces to our chess football field. They'll show us another fun discovered attack. Now, watch what happens if the white pawn moves 1 square forward. Like this. The pawn gives check to the black king. But that's not all. By moving away, the pawn also opens a path for the white bishop. And now the white bishop is attacking the black queen. Can the black queen escape? No, she can't, because the black king is in check. And we know the king must get out of check first. So the black king captures the white pawn. But now, the white bishop can capture the black queen. And that is another clever discovered attack. It's just like in football. One player moves out of the way, creating space for a teammate to make an unexpected attack. In chess, one piece moves aside, and another piece suddenly begins attacking. That's what makes the discovered attack such a clever tactical trick. Now that you know how this tactic works, it's time for some football. Come on, everyone. Let's head to the Chess Kingdom Football World Championship.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.